say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. Take your hands, my dear, and place.
First, we're going to section off our hair. We're going to do a total of 3 sections, with the middle section being the thickest.
To see you dance just one more time.
I use a banana clip to separate my hair. I'm using the low setting, and I'm brushing through and curling and rounding out at the edges. I do it all throughout my head and turn to the side just so that I'm able to get the back of my hair and continue to round down at the ends.
Oh my God, I see you walking by. Take my hands, my dear, and look me in my eyes. Just like a monkey, I've been dancing my whole life. But you just beg to see me dance just one more time.
Now we're going on to the second layer, which is going to be our thickest, and you'll spend the most time here. Again, on the low setting, keep brushing through and rounding down at the ends. That is the key part.
I want it all before I'm gone.
Now we're going to go on to my favorite and the most funnest part, which is the top layer, which is going to be our bangs. And the biggest difference that you're going to do here is that you're going to round away from your face. So all of the other times you were curling it inwards, this time you're curling it outwards. Right now I'm just finding my middle part.
I am not somebody you can put inside a box, and I'm not somebody who will let you take my spot. It's written on my face, I'm somebody who never stops. I do it because I gotta, I don't do it for your props. Now you can keep those. I'm aiming way higher than planes in Heathrow, and I'm sorry to say, but my cake can't be sold. And look, to be honest, either you got it or don't. But if you got a dream and a vision, put it in your mind that you gotta go out and get it.
I like to try to push my hair up when I roll this top layer of my hair. So I'm just adjusting the camera so you can see the top layer of my hair, and I just like to push forward and as high up to create as much volume as I can.
I want it all before I'm gone, yeah, keep on grinding till the morning, yeah, if you're sleeping on me, keep on snoring, I want it all before I'm gone. I want it all before I'm gone.
And there you have it, your fresh blowout using just the Revlon brush. Hope you enjoyed it.